Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Calendar in your browser or mobile app to start. Find the event on the correct date and time. Click the event title to view full details and conferencing info. Look for a Google Meet link labeled Join with Google Meet or a dial-in phone number and PIN. If there is no conferencing, contact the organizer to add Meet or provide a link. Arrive 5 minutes early to test camera, microphone, and internet connection before joining. Click the Google Meet link inside the calendar event to open the meeting in a new tab. Allow your browser to access camera and microphone when prompted by the site. Adjust background, camera angle, and lighting while previewing before you join. Click Turn Off Camera or Mute Microphone to control what others see and hear. Press Join now to enter the meeting room and wait for the organizer or other participants if necessary. On mobile, open the Google Calendar app or the Google Meet app to join. Tap the event and then tap the Join button labeled Join with Google Meet to enter immediately. Grant the app permissions for camera and microphone when requested for proper audio and video. If audio fails, switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or use the dial-in phone number provided in the event details. If problems persist, update or restart the app and your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.